back to my channel. If y'all are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video and turn on your post notifications. So today we are getting into this wig I have on. This is a 24-inch exotic curl is the name of the curl, I guess. I put this wig on yesterday. I didn't really do anything to it today, so I'm just going to show you my curly hair routine when I have a curly wig on. Hair details. So this wig is a 24-inch exotic curl from A Plus Everything. A Plus Everything is a hair boutique where I'm located in Tallahassee. However, they do have a website, so if you guys like this wig and want the link to it, I'll put it in the description box. Yeah, so far I really like the wig. The lace blends in with my skin well. I like the lace. It's not too thick. The quality of the hair is really good. It doesn't shed too much. It is curly hair, so it sheds a little bit, but it does not shed a lot. It's not excessive shedding. The quality of the hair is really good. It has not matted up or nothing. So yeah, I'm just going to be showing y'all what I use. Usually I do my baby hairs before I do my makeup, but I try to do my baby hairs, but I don't really know. So the reason why I love curly hair is because it's not a lot of maintenance. So we have our spray bottle. This just has conditioner in it. You can put any conditioner in your spray bottle as long as it doesn't have any sulfate in it. Try to stay away from parabens. But yeah. So I just spray my hair. Just drench it, honestly. So just a quick, the reason why I spray my hair with water pretty much every day or every other day is because water refreshes curly hair. If you've ever had curly hair, you know, like, water simply refreshes it. The reason why I add conditioner isn't, the reason I add conditioner in it is because the conditioner kind of defines the curls. Because if you just use water, it just makes the hair, it wets the hair and defines the curls, but once it dries, it gets bigger again. So yeah. Okay, so this is the hair just simply sprayed wet, and so this is the amount of shedding I just got. Not a lot, as you guys can see. My real hair sheds more than that. And then I use, so y'all can use a Denman brush or a wet brush or anything of that sort. This is the brush I'm using. This is like a wet brush, I believe. You can get this type of brush. I think I got it from Ross for like $3.99. And yeah, so I just brush my hair through to make sure that water and conditioner is spread throughout my hair. And y'all, let's get into it. Hold on, pause. And y'all can just see the curl on this hair. Like, it is so pretty. So I do the other side. Same thing. And then if you feel any dry areas, just spray it again. So this is how the hair looks at this point after spraying it and everything. The next product, out of focus. All right, so the next product that I use is this Bella Curls Coconut Cream Curl Defining This I got from like the Family Dollar, but I believe Bella Curls, they sell in Walgreens, CVS, and depending on which area your Walmart is in. I think this is sold in Walmart too, but this is just a curl defining cream. So what I do with this is I just use like this much and I put it in my hair, but then I scrunch up like that. And this kind of like defines the curls some more and keeps it from getting super puffy. I try to do my baby hairs before I do my makeup, but when it comes to edges, these are the two products I use. I use mousse. You can use any type of mousse. This is just the mousse I have. And then I use edge booster, but you can use any type of edge control or edge gel that you have for your preference. It's all your preference. But right now I'm just going to try and touch up with a little bit of mousse, because like I said, once your makeup is on, it just messes up. If you wear makeup, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, y'all, so that is my curly hair maintenance when I wear this type of hair. It's super simple. It doesn't really take too much to do. You just spray, put a little cream, and boom, and you're done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. My name will be on the screen. And yeah, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss no video. See you guys in the next video.